Hi everybody and welcome back. So lately everybody's been asking me about how I make my chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to show you. It's really easy and you will love it. It's very hearty, it's delicious, and your whole family will love it. You know, everyone's always asking me how I make chicken soup. So I'm going to show you how I make chicken soup. First you want to melt some butter. Let that melt. Let your butter melt. Throw on your onions. Throw in your carrots. Throw in your celery. Throw in your garlic. Let this saute for a little while and soften up. A little salt. Little pepper. Throw in some chicken stock. About right there. I'm going to let this cook and we'll bring this up to a boil. Okay. So when it comes up to a boil, throw your noodles in. Give it a stir. Cook this to about al dente. Throw your chicken in. This is how I always make chicken noodle soup. So good. Squeeze some lemon juice in there. Add some parsley. Just let that simmer for about 8 minutes. That looks delicious. That looks delicious. Hey guys, if you liked that video and you want to see more of them, please hit that like button and subscribe because it really helps the channel out a lot. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.